What's the matter? Do you know what these boots mean when I have these boots on? Who knows? What does that mean, Jackie? It's time for the first road trip with the new Jeep. Huh. Waiting for Daddy so we can go. Jackie's got a sweater on. He's antsy to go. Since it's daylight and I'm off, I thought I'll come out here and you can talk about everything you've done to the Jeep before we go on our first road trip. And when?
And when?
Yeah, when are we gonna go?
Right away.
What you doing right now?
Rock sliders.
Oh!
Making rock sliders. See the pipe underneath?
Yeah.
We'll go along here and make you a nice comfy little step. Put your foot on.
Good Lord, I need that because we know I've had some entertaining faults with that. But Joe repainted her. Is this a her or a him?
Whatever you want it to be.
It's the dirty dog.
Pain in the butt to me.
Okay, so it got painted darker green. For these guys, oh, look at they're so excited. So let's go now. Okay, so
Everything in the rear.
Everything in the
That's
rear.
the rear suspension. 5 inches to triangulated four-link. Coilover shocks. Curry anti-rock sway bar. 23-gallon Curry crawler gas tank.
Oh.
Yep. Fox shocks.
Oh, I know.
Coilover shocks.
Here, turn it on and we can do the show them the fancy blue screen we got. Look at this motor. Look at this motor. Brum, 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 brum.
LS 6.0. Big motor.
Sounds tougher.
Got a wiring mess. So look at it.
Yeah, don't look at that. The wiring's still not there.
I thought you want to see the dash.
Oh. We got this. Look at fancy blue digital. Look at the fuel goes up. Funny.
Fuel gauge doesn't work then.
Yes, it. Oh, it doesn't.
It's gonna top out.
Oh, well, it will work eventually.
Yep. I just gotta hook it up.
Yeah, don't look at none of this. This is not done yet, clearly.
No.
Much tougher. Do we want to go? You want a road trip? Yes, please. Jackie, are we back in the Jeep? We in the Jeep! Is it running? Yay! Daddy's happy. We're going nowhere. Test run! I swear like the worst part is trying to find everything that we have moved from one to the other. Well, right now I'm looking for all the dog toys because we have moved them into the Blue Beast and we cannot remember where we put them all. We're never gonna leave. Not here. Let's check Daddy's side. No. Jeez, Joe, clean out your truck. Good Lord. Yeah, that was an epic fail. So, no more road trip to the Blue Beast. Sorry, Blue Beast. For now, anyway. And there's our kayaks. We haven't decided how we're going to get the dogs on them. Just kidding. Maybe. Yeah, so. Oh, it stink. Oh, it stink. Let's go tell Daddy we couldn't find the toys. No luck. No toys. Nope. Looked everywhere. Mm-hmm. No toys. We're ready to go. Can you hear Jax? I got up. I got up. I got up. We're just loading it up, loading it up. Well, he's saying I didn't look well enough. Apparently, you have to lift up the seats. Lift up the seats. Can we just look? I mean, there's nothing. Oh. How do you lift it up? I have no idea how you lift up the seat. Lift up the seat. Lift up. Oh, lift up the seat. Pause, please. Oh my God, I hate it when he's right. So it was there the whole time, and I never figured out how to lift the seat. I just stuck my hand in there. So, oh my God, he was right. So whatever. We can go now. You guys aren't excited or anything, are you? Jeez. That's why I already put my stuff in the Jeep. Woo! Doesn't she look pretty? So, how long has it been?
Almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years.
Since we've taken it out. Last time we took it out is where we're going right now, Red Hills Road.
Yeah. What all did you do to it?
Huh?
What all did you do to it?
Everything.
New paint, new motor.
V8, Chevy LS.
New dash stuff, new shifter, new...
4L80 overdrive transmission. Lengthen the rear suspension.
Oh, gas is done. What you doing? You ready? Hi, honey.
Hey, baby.
How's she running?
So far, so good.
Oh, look, there's Blue in his spot. Jackie's, of course, in his spot. Cruising along. Going good.
I'll brag when we get home.
What's that?
I said I'll brag when we get home.
I think it's going good. It sounds good. It sounds tough. stop. Hey, it is nice right now. Jax, where you going? Crazy puppy. He's like, where's my ball? Did you not grab 2 balls? I'll get another ball. Poor Jackie. Oh. Get it, Jackie. Yay! Give me the ball. Give me the Jackie. Give me the ball. Jackie, give me the ball. You want me to throw the ball? Give me the ball. You want me to throw it? You gotta give me the ball. Go! Give me the ball. Ha! Go get it! Woohoo! He lost it. You want that ball? Oh my goodness! Go get it, Jackie! Blue! Yay! You got it! Good job. Good job. It's a rock. Oh, I thought he did. He peed on the ball. He dropped it. You like were a commercial just then. Now you gotta go home and wash it. Look at.
Nah, I ain't gonna wash it.
You're gonna leave it like that? Look at. He got mud on the new paint job.
Not much. It's just a little.
We've had worse.
Oh, yeah. No river to go through here and wash it off though.
Yeah, like an e-sol. You think it'll start back up again?
Oops.
Just joking.
If not, well, it's kind of downhill.
You see the green real good right there. It's like army forest green. Looks kind of black sometimes. But Joe actually painted this all himself, including the top, so he did a great job. And I love the top. I love that. That turned out really, really good. But yeah, there she is. Blue just did a dog foul. He walked in the mud. Oh, he can't find. He found it. Jackie, come on. Where you going, little buddy? What you doing, little buddy? Jax. You're so cute. Did you throw 2? Joe, you suck. You threw them both in the bushes. In there. And then you threw the other one over here. Yeah, you better wait for me.